If you want to log out of ChatGPT on all devices, this quick tutorial will walk you through the exact steps. This is useful if you signed in on a shared computer, if you want to secure your account, or if you simply want to make sure every active session gets signed out at once. Before we begin, if this video helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open ChatGPT and look to the lower left corner of the screen. You'll see your profile area there, and that is where we need to start. Click on your profile icon or profile name to open the account menu. Once the menu appears, select Settings. This will take you into the main settings area for your ChatGPT account. From there, look for the Security section and click on it. Security is where ChatGPT keeps the account access and session controls, so this is the place you need if you want to manage logins across devices. After opening Security, you should see an option that says Log Out of all devices, or a similar Log Out All button. Click that button to sign out your account everywhere at once. In just a moment, ChatGPT will end your sessions on all devices where you were logged in. That means laptops, desktops, tablets, and phones will all need to sign in again the next time they open the app or website. If you were worried about someone else accessing your account, this is one of the fastest ways to secure it. It's also a great step to take if you've used ChatGPT on a public or work device and forgot to log out manually. After you click the Logout button, it's a good idea to confirm that the action completed successfully. If prompted, review any confirmation message and proceed. Once that's done, your account will be signed out across all active sessions. If you need to use ChatGPT again, just sign back in on the device you want to keep using. And that's it. You've now learned how to log out from all devices in ChatGPT in just a few simple clicks. If this tutorial was helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next walkthrough. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.